नारायण सिंह समस्त टिके ताली दबा ताली मारे किसी असुविधा नहीं तो जोरदार ताली वर्तमान अनुरोध रखिबे मेयर साहब को तो संबर्धना करबा सहित तांको बहुत धन्यवाद। तो सर को अनुरोध रखिए से किसी कथा रखिए।
Thank you. High esteemed to chief guest and I am most welcome to the sir or my brother like as Mir and lovable parents and teachers brother also and most important lovable students also. I would like to thank you, Mir sir, because I stand here for him. I am the principal of RK Public School since 2013, and in my 17 years experience, teachers, so that I shall tell you just one thing for me sir and students also. And one thing is to me sir, always me sir says me, it is not my goal, but it is yours. And you should obey their rules, obey his rules, that it is not our college, it is mine. And whenever you tell it is mine, then your spirit will be increased. And all categories of our school will develop. And one thing is that education takes three different persons. One is the parents, second is the teachers, and third is students. If they together, then the education will be improved. And if we tie in one unity, then our institution will be developed forever. This institution first established in 2023 with taking only 4 students. And after that, it increased to 40 students. How it is increased? It is imaginable. And this year is 75. And I hope that it will increase to 200 students. And whenever it will be increased by with your cooperation and our lovable parents and our all the guests. And most priority to me is I have seen in my childhood whenever I study in Bagichandapur High School, he worked very laborious and day and night, and all are visible with by and cooperation and social worker also. I have seen in my earlier days also, and that's all. It's my late, and I don't want to take some time for yours. Thank you to all. Okay.
Thank you, sir.